This is my beautiful family. Hello, my name is Mercedes. I am the paternal grandmother of Paula. I don't know work. I am halfway. The name of my paternal grandfather is Augusto, and he is in the heaven. Hello, my name is Stella. I am Paula's maternal grandmother. I am independent. Hello, my name is Hector. I am the maternal grandfather of Paula and I work as a mechanic. My name is Augusto. I am Paula's father and I am currently working as a contractor engineering. My name is Sulma. I am Paula's mom. At this time I work as an academic coordination. Hello, my name is Juliana. I am the sister of the middle and aunt of Paula's son. I am currently studying psychology. Hello, my name is Hannah. I am the younger sister of the aunt younger of the family. I go in the fifth grade. My name is Paula. I am the older sister of three sisters. I have a 4-year-old son and I am currently working and studying. Hi, my name is Pablo. As you know, I am the son of Paula, the only grandson, second grade of the family. Currently, I am going to the school. I am in the grade. Finish. Thank you.